Subscribe today for free. Episode 32, Cape Town Cages. Off the coast of the largest city in South Africa, there are some of the largest great white sharks in the world. The area is infamous for its shark tourism and cage diving in particular. Cage diving is one way to enjoy these amazing animals in their natural environment with very limited risk involved. Imagine being face to face with such a monstrous apex predator in the water with just a few feet between you. Have any of you gone cage diving before? Tell us about it in the comments.